Happy holidays, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing some toto, Caribbean toto. And please follow me while I take it through with my toto. This is a mix. Welcome back, guys. Now I'll be panning out the batter of my toto. So this is a small one. A small one for small people. See, this is the small one, guys. This is the big one for big people. So this one I've been I use to make the liquid. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description. But to make the liquid I use tomato juice, carrot, blend them together and strain it to make the liquid, part of the liquid. Guys, add the tea. Just coconut, total with coconut already. So I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description and the method and how to do this one. See it, guys? And the time for this is 30 to 40 minutes baking time. So I'm gonna put it inside the oven now because it's ready. Like Freddy. Ready like a Freddy. Use it. Christmas cut holder. And I'm gonna change the drill. Put the lower. Lower. So I'm gonna put in the cake now. A total mix. I heat the oven for to 350, so I'm going to adjust it to 375. 375. So on the time, I'm going to put on the time, which is 40 minutes. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to look in the oven. See? Soon ready, guys, see? Soon. The boom. Soon ready. Yes, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna check on the thing now. Check on it. Set it up. Check. With this type of knife. See what? Go ready, guys. One more time. With at least 15 more minutes. Already. Yes, guys. Welcome back, guys. So I'm gonna pull it from the oven. Ready? Yeah. Ready? Yeah. So I'm gonna turn it off now. Cancel. Right, so you're gonna cool it down a bit and then show you what's going on, guys. Start when I taste it and tell you. Taste the toto, guy. Can't eat no, probably heavy. It's a bit heavy, guys.